ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new episode of the Madinah Arabic short tutorial series for Book 1 and Lesson 15. On the last page of this lesson, on page 91, Dr. Abdul Rahim listed all detached dhama'ir that we've learned so far. So let's start today's episode by going over these examples. This list is the dhamir munfasil, detached pronouns. The right column says lil mufradi, for the singular. The left column header says lil jam'i, for the plural. Huwa talibun means he's a student. We should be well familiar with huwa by now, which is used for mudhakkar mufrad. And for tullabun, we use hum, as in hum tullabun. They are students. Then we have hiya talibatun. She's a student. For jam'ul mu'annath, we use hunna, as in hunna talibatun. Hunna talibatun. They are female students. These four dhama'ir are used for third person. Next couple of lines deal with the dhama'ir for the second person. For example, for mudhakkar mufrad, we say anta talibun. You are a student. And for jam'ul mudhakkar, we use antum, as in antum tullabun. You are students. For mu'annath mufrad, we say anti talibatun. You are a student. For mu'annath jam', we should say antunna talibatun. You are students. Antunna talibatun. Next are the two dhamir munfasil for first person. Notice that both ana and nahnu are gender neutral dhamir, meaning they can be used for both males and females. For example, ana talibun means I am a male student. And ana talibatun is I am a female student. Similarly, brothers can say nahnu tullabun, we are students. And sisters can also use nahnu and say nahnu talibatun, we are students. Let's now go back to page 90 and go over exercise 6. Here we need to fill in the blanks by choosing one of the two first person dhamir, ana or nahnu. The khabar of the first sentence is muslimun, which is al-mufrad. So we will use ana for the mubtada. And our sentence will become ana muslimun. I am a Muslim. The second one ends with muslimuna, which is al-jam'. So we will use nahnu and say nahnu muslimuna. We are Muslims. The third sentence has muslimatun for the khabar, which is al-mufrad. So mubtada will be ana. And together the sentence is ana muslimatun. I am a Muslimah. Then we have muslimatun, al-jam'. So it will get nahnu for the mubtada. Nahnu muslimatun means we are Muslimas. Sentence 5 is about banatul mudiri, the daughters of the principal. Banatu is al-jam'. What should be our sentence then? Nahnu banatul mudiri, right? Nahnu banatul mudiri. We are the daughters of the principal. Sentence 6. Ibnul mudarrisi. What should we use for mubtada here? We should use ana, because ibnu is al-mufrad. So ana ibnul mudarrisi means I am the son of the teacher. Ana ibnul mudarrisi. Sentence 7. Tullabun. Students. So it gets nahnu. Nahnu tullabun. We are students. Sentence 8. Maridatun. Sick, which is mufrad and mu'annath ism. So the sentence should be ana maridatun. I am sick. Very good. We are finished with this exercise. Before starting the next exercise, let's review the conjugation table of al-fi'l al-madi, the past tense verb dhahaba. He went. The order is as usual from mudhakkar to mu'annath from top to bottom, and third person, second, and first from right to left. Let's read this table together. ذهب, ذهبا, ذهبوا. ذهبت ذهبتا ذهبنا ذهبت ذهبتما ذهبتم ذهبتي ذهبتما ذهبتن ذهبت ذهبنا. Once again, ذهب ذهبا ذهبوا ذهبت ذهبتا ذهبنا ذهبت ذهبتما ذهبتم ذهبتي ذهبتما ذهبتن ذهبت and ذهبنا. In this lesson, we will start using a new conjugation form, ذهبتن. You went for second person, جمع المؤنث. So, ذهبتم was you went for جمع المذكر, and ذهبتن is you went for جمع المؤنث. At the top of page 91, we can see a table with some example sentences involving the verb ذهب. The first row is for مذكر اسم. أين ذهبت يا أخي means where did you go, oh my brother? In plural, the question will be أين ذهبتم يا إخواني? Where did you go, oh my brothers? For a مؤنث مفرد person, we say أين ذهبتي يا أختي? Where did you go, oh my sister? For a group of sisters, we use the new form that we learned today, which is ذهبتن. So we say أين ذهبتن يا أخواتي? Where did you go, oh my sisters? And the last row is for first person. For al-mufrad, we say أنا ذهبت, I went. And for al-jam', we should say نحن ذهبنا, we went. Now let's go back to page 90 and go over the sentences given in exercise 7. First one. ذهب أبي إلى القاهرة قبل أسبوع. My father went to Cairo last week. قبل is a new word and it means before. It is opposite of بعد, after. And the ism أسبوع means a week. So قبل أسبوع literally means before a week, but we can translate it as a week ago. This is جملة فعلية. Can you find the فعل and the فاعل of the sentence? The فعل is ذهب, and its فاعل or the doer is أبو, وهو مضاف, and ياء المتكلم is مضاف إليه. What do you think the ism قبل is functioning as in this sentence? It is ظرف الزمان, right? The adverb of time. That is why it is coming as mansub with fatha ending. قبل is typically followed by مضاف إليه. So here قبل أسبوع is the ظرف and مضاف إليه combination. Sentence 2. متى خرجت من الفصل يا محمد? When did you come out of the class, O Muhammad? خرجت بعد الدرس. I came out after the lesson. Here in the response, خرجت is the فعل and فاعل combined. The فاعل is ضمير to. What is بعد الدرس? It is ظرف and مضاف إليه pair, right? بعد is ظرف الزمان. That is why it is منسوب. الدرس is مضاف إليه. That is why it is مجرور. Sentence 3. ذهبت إلى المسجد قبل الأذان. I went to the masjid before the adhan. ذهبت is the فعل and the فاعل. The فاعل is ضمير to. قبل الأذان is ظرف and مضاف إليه combination. Sentence 4. متى ذهب عمك إلى الرياض يا آمنة? When did your uncle go to Riyadh, O Amina? ذهب قبل شهر. He went a month ago. Or literally, he went before a month. Here, ذهب is the فعل. Where is the فاعل? The فاعل is مستتر, right? It refers to هو. قبل is ظرف and اسم مجرور شهر is مضاف إليه. And the final sentence. أقبل الصلاة ذهبت إلى المطعم? Did you go to the restaurant before the prayer? لا, ذهبت بعد الصلاة. No, I went after the prayer. What would be the فعل and the فاعل of this response جملة? The fi'al and fa'il are both in the have to, right? The have is the fi'al part of it, and the fa'il is ضمير to. بعد الصلاة is ظرف الزمان and مضاف إليه combination. Very good. We can mark this exercise done and finish the video here. We will try to go over the main text and finish up what is left in this lesson in the next episode, inshallah. Until the next time, Assalamu alaikum.